the goal. Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.
Hello, dear friends. We are seeing people are starting business with great enthusiasms. They try their level best that they should be successful. But there is one more obstacle. That is what we call shiny object syndrome. Now, shiny object syndrome means what? When they start doing business, of course, businesses can be done with certain ideas. But while doing with the business, while they are on the way, there are distractions and there are different ideas. They overcome these people. And because of the ideas, they feel that instead of choosing this way to reach out your destination, like for example, if you want to go to Shirdi and you are following the fastest route, but there are certain distractions that you feel that you will go via, and you'll reach fast. So such distractions should not be there because because of new ideas and opportunities that you lose focus on your original ideas and original goal. So I think Rekha would like to add something.
Yes, definitely. See what happens. Uh, there are times when we are having some particular idea in our mind. We are going in that particular direction. And suddenly some idea sparks in some thought. And we think, oh my God, I should have done this. I should have done that. I should have done that. And we lose the focus.
Right.
That is one. And there are other ways also. And people should not mistake into that.
Right.
When I have to go in a particular direction, in order to make my journey smoother, I will need to do this and I will need to do that and I will need to do that. If you are seeing that, it is not a shiny idea, it is a goal which is a corollary to your existing goal. Do not mistake that shining idea, but people generally mistake. If I am going in a particular direction and I'm pursuing a few points, then you are distracting this. That is not distraction. But shifting the goal completely is a distraction. Yeah.
So that take your leave
Yeah.
and meet you in next steps.
And that means what? If you have to shift the goal, if people shift the goals, then they will land nowhere.
No.
So this is important. So keep this in mind, and more of it will be there into our intermediate level, right?
Right.
So let's meet next time.
Step by step, go ahead, embrace the journey, bold and new. Cross all hurdles, reach the goal, unstoppable.